Out on the road, trust is everything. When your business depends on it, when your life depends on it, you need to know your truck is going to deliver day in, day out. At UD, we know trust has to be earned, and it's built on actions, not words. That's why we've been building reliable, high-quality trucks that always deliver on performance, drivability, safety, and innovation. In Australia, we have over 50 years' experience, so we know what it takes to engineer trucks for tough Australian conditions. With their proven strength, impressive torque, superior turning circle and smooth driveline, UD trucks perform like no other, on the highway, in the city, and on the job site. UD has always gone the extra mile for its customers, and our people share a professional, passionate and dependable spirit. We're building the ultimate trucks, backed by the ultimate service, and the result is ultimate dependability. No wonder this is the truck Australia trusts.